When my friend's baby turned 6 months, her baby wasn't gaining weight. She reached out to me to assist her with healthy meals her baby can eat. This is one of the meals I recommended to boost her baby's nutrition. It is budget friendly, doesn't cost much to make. We'll be using oats, pre-cooked green peas, and boiled egg yolk for this recipe. Blend the oats till it is smooth. Blend the green peas smooth as well. Break the boiled egg, remove the shell, then remove the egg yolk and match the yolk. This recipe is rich in iron, protein, fiber and brain boosting fats. It is balanced diet and contains everything your baby needs. Pour water into a clean pot. Pour your blended oats, mashed green peas and mashed egg yolk. Stir to combine, smoothen it out. Then cook on low heat. Make sure you stir it so it doesn't have lumps. If it's too thick, you can add blended boiled water and adjust the consistency to your desired texture. Want more nutrient packed baby meals like this? Please subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a recipe. I share simple budget friendly meals like this here.